Hello, everybody. Michael Palacci here with Digital Marketing in 60 seconds or less. Let's get started. In episode 43, we continue talking products on Google My Business. The product post was introduced by Google in June of 2018. To add a product, click Posts, then Add Product, and the new product editor will pop up. In July of 2019, Google introduced the products page where you can manage your products in one place. I have a feeling the products post will go away soon, so get in the habit of using the products page to manage your products. Once you click Add Product, the editor pops up and you can enter the necessary information. The three ellipses to the right allow you to easily edit, arrange, and add new products. With the release in July of 2019, Google created a categories function, allowing you to better arrange your products. The ellipses to the right allow you to do some quick editing and arranging of categories as well. Creating categories is easy and especially useful for retail stores that sell many different lines of products. If you have any questions about GMB, websites, or any other digital marketing topics, please comment them below. So that's it for Digital Marketing in 60 seconds or less. We'll see you next time.